Hey guys, so today we're opening up a Pokemon X and Y pack. Oh, sorry about that. I got my Pokemon plushie right there. I think that's a Pokemon. But yeah, we're opening a pretty nice looking Pokemon X and Y pack. So I guess let's get started. Got it. Gotta do the card trick. This is how it goes. You always gotta do the card trick. You absolute nuts. Oh no, it fell. That's not good. Not again. Alright, anyway, so here we have a Dragonair, a Crustle, a Slicoon, or a Silcoon, or whatever the hell. Oh, you see it peeking out? There we got Eggs, guys. Woo! A Pikachu, a Weedle, a Carablast, a High Cat, a clay piece of rock statue thing. Oh, sweet! A reverse hollow rare. Gotta check the shine. Gotta check the shine on that. And then we got. Oh, it's so shiny! Oh my god. Can't believe we pulled that. Let's take a look at that one more time. I can't believe we pulled that. Holy shit. It's so... Oh my god, my eyes, man, it's so shiny. Why? Yeah, I'm alright. Yo, it's too shiny. Hold on, I'll be back. Let me just take off the flash real quick. Okay, guys, the flash should be off now. Look at that. It's focus. Focus, you piece of shit. Alright. Pikachu EX. The most legendary card out there right now, man. It's so amazing to have it and to see it in person. Flawless pack. Just a flawless pack. Anyway, see you guys next time. Alright guys, so if you liked that video of me being absolutely crazy with Pokemon cards, please click like for more, and that will let me know that you guys like this series that I might make a series of. And I will keep making this series, even though I kind of destroyed my only pack. But yeah, I'll get another pack and preserve the art. But anyway, until next time, guys. Peace.